Wanna dominate the Blox Fruits Cs on your phone like you're on a PC? First things first, you'll need a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Make sure they are fully charged or have fresh batteries. Head over to your phone's settings app. This is usually symbolized by a gear or cog icon. Now, find the Bluetooth settings option. It might be under Connections, Wireless and Networks, or something similar depending on your phone model. Tap it. Turn Bluetooth on if it isn't already. Your phone will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Put your keyboard and mouse into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing a button on the underside of the device or holding down a specific key combination. Look for the keyboard and mouse to appear in the list on your phone. Tap on your keyboard in the list. A pairing request might pop up. Confirm the pairing request. Repeat the same process for your mouse. Tap on it in the list and confirm the pairing request if necessary. Once both are connected, launch Blox Fruits on your mobile device. You should now be able to control your character using the keyboard and mouse. You might need to adjust the in-game control settings to best suit your keyboard and mouse layout for a smoother and more personalized experience. Enjoy playing Blox Fruits with your newfound mobile PC setup. Get ready to grind and become the Pirate King or Marine Admiral.